Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena Rugal and today I invite you to crochet such adorable cord with beads and 3D segment. You can use it like a decoration for yourself or for your home. It can be perfect idea for necklace, bracelet, or belt, or handband. Also in this video you will know how to join a bead while crocheting. And please write comment below the video what you will get and where you are going to use it. For work you need to have crochet hook 2 millimeters, a ball of yarn and beads. I threaded beads onto the working yarn. And let's get started crocheting. Let's begin the cord. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop. I won't use this chain stitch. Then chain more. I'm going to work with this chain stitch. Then chain of 3 more. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Draw a bead. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the bead. Take the working loop, pull it through. You need to left 1 chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and work with 3 double crochet. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make double crochet. Make double crochet 1. In total it should be 3 double crochet in 1 chain stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Well done. Then I'm going to work with strings around these 3 stitches. The height of the double crochet will be the same as a bead. If you have got bigger bead, you need to do stitch longer, or instead of double crochet you can do treble crochet and so on. So I continue working on my segment. Make 5 strings. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the 3 stitches. Pull up a loop. 1. In total it should be 5 of them, as I said before. 2. 3. 4. 5. I hold all loops with my finger. The height is the same. Then yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Then pull through 3 loops. Yarn over. You should pull through 3 loops till you remain 2 loops on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5. I have got 2 loops on the hook. Pull through My first segment with bead is ready. Then I continue. Now chain of 3. Turn the work. Draw a bead. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the bead. Take the working loop, pull it through. So my bead is joined. Then turn the work and crochet 3 stitches. It will be double crochet. Insert the hook between this segment and a bead. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Crochet the strings. Yarn over, pull up a loop 5 times. I insert the hook between a bead and stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over. I hold all loops with my finger. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through 3 loops till you remain 2 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through 2 loops. The second segment is ready. The next segments will be the same, so you just need to repeat them. You can use 1 or 2 segments to create jewelry such as earring, pendant, and I continue working on my cord. Chain of 3, draw a bead, pull up a loop. I am beginning and you will continue by yourself. Remove the hook, insert the hook into the bead, take the working loop, pull it through. Well done. Insert the hook into the working loop. Then turn the work. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and so on. You should repeat as many times as you need. After you have done your favorite number of segments, and now I show you how to finish your project. You have done the segment, then you should make a chain to secure the yarn, and that's it. And pull it. Then I left a long piece of yarn to sew clasps to both sides. Also, it can be perfect to create belt or another accessories. Let's look at my project. This is double-sided cord ribbon. So my cord is ready. In this video you have seen how to crochet such adorable 3D ribbon cord with beads. It was my own creation. It is very easy to crochet. So please write comment below the video what you will get and where you going to use. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.